Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics at home. First, select your starter culture, such as kefir grains or a kombucha SCOBY. Next, gather your equipment, clean glass jars, breathable cloth covers, and rubber bands. Sterilize all your tools thoroughly to ensure a safe and healthy fermentation process. This preparation is crucial for successful homemade probiotics, setting the stage for delicious and beneficial results. Now, let's dive into the fermentation. For milk kefir, add kefir grains to milk. For kombucha, combine your SCOBY with sweetened tea. Cover your jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Place it in a warm spot, away from direct sunlight, and let it ferment for 1 to 3 days. You'll notice changes in texture and aroma as the beneficial bacteria grow. Once fermented, it's time to harvest your probiotics. Carefully strain the liquid to separate your starter culture, which you can reuse for future batches. The fermented liquid is now ready to enjoy. For extra flavor and fizz, try a second fermentation. Add fruit, herbs, or spices to the strained liquid and let it sit for another 12 to 24 hours before refrigerating. This step truly enhances the taste. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade probiotics. Keep your finished fermented drinks in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to always use clean, non-metallic utensils when handling your cultures to maintain their health. Don't be afraid to experiment with various milks, teas, or flavorings to discover your perfect probiotic creations. Enjoy the benefits of your delicious homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.